what we do is more than converting words. So it requires, I don't know, cultural nuances, nonverbal cues, emotional intelligence, empathy, blah, blah, blah. Now, there is another concern, and that is a big one, a privacy concern. We all know that the minute anything goes into the cloud, it's public and there's nothing else private. There's the ethical concern. We follow a code of ethics. How do we know that AI is qualified to follow code of ethics? Well, of course, it cannot discern what is okay and what is not okay. Then there is, of course, the bias in AI. And the bias, whether conscious or unconscious, right? Or the existing bias, whether it's unconscious or conscious, it can get perpetuated by AI and actually amplified. Okay, so that is going to be in disadvantage to, or particularly adverse to, the marginalized communities. Now, is there going to be some job displacement and skill shifts? Absolutely. But we cannot forget that there are technical limitations. People think that they're going to buy a machine or they're going to buy a phone, they're going to activate something, and it's going to work beautifully, and that's the only thing they have to do. The Department of Public Instructions just sent their budget study regarding this idea of replacing interpreters with AI for all the public offices in Wisconsin. And it was very interesting to see that the one thing they mentioned was that even though at the beginning they may have the appearance of costs that were lowered, the fact that you have to buy the software, train people on how to use it, integrate the software with the communication systems that an agency has, and then implementing, maintaining it, and updating it, it's going to be a very big expense. So this is not, just, oh, let's open the door. Okay, it's open. That's it. So this is going to provide, it's going to give a lot of problems. Not to mention what is going to happen when, I'm not going to say if, I'm going to say when the lawsuits start coming, when the mistrials start coming. There's nothing an attorney hates more than having a judge than having their case ruled as a mistrial or appealed, right? In the Court of Appeals. And hospitals are going to have the same effect when they have malpractice lawsuits.